How to clear cache on computer. Did you know that clearing cache in your computer would improve its overall performance? Since working day to day would lead your computer to build up unnecessary files and data. In the long run, this accumulated junk would be a headache. However, after watching this video, you'll learn more about clearing cache, making your computer good as new again. But first, let's define what cache is. You don't need to be an expert to understand how cache works. By the name itself, cache. Somehow, it's just literally catching data and storing it temporarily to retrieve it later on, making browsing and other processes faster. Yes, it's important. However, we don't need this to be stored forever and should be removed later on to avoid problems. Let's start by navigating to the Start menu. Then click the search bar, or you could also press the Windows key, then type in disk cleanup. Once you type that, a message box will come up that shows disk cleanup. Next, select the drive that you want to clean and then click OK. And then another pop-up will show options of which things you want to be included in the cleaning process. So, make sure you check on the temporary internet files, DirectX shader cache, temporary files, thumbnails, and etc. When everything that you wanted to get cleared is checked, then click Clean Up System Files just to make sure that you've got all the cache on your PC. Finally, click OK, and it's going to start deleting those files. And once it's done, it will close itself. With that, you've got your computer cache cleared. You've just discovered an amazing guide about clearing cache on your computer. And now click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.